here on one-day ferry to Livingston.
We finally made it to the Needles tourist attraction, which starts here, but I think everything is closed because it's February, and we noticed that on the Isle of Wight lots of things closed during the winter, so there's not much going on, but we can still go for a walk. This looks like a holiday park, but many things are closed. However, there are some coffee shops and even probably a restaurant there. They are still open. Souvenir shop is open as well. James came here when he was a kid, and he remembers that he was able to buy some sand in a bottle of...
An Isle of Wight shaped bottle filled with layers of multicoloured sand, which is taken from the cliff, which is all different colours.
So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in the shop and try to find this thing now.
Yeah.
Let's go. Whoa, this is exactly what you remembered from your childhood.
Yeah, I had one. I bought one and had it in my room for many years.
Oh, that's so cute. So this is how it looks like once it's full of sands in different colors. It's super cute, actually. £10. There are also different shapes like skulls and light bulbs, a glass globe, so you can decide on the shape. No way, so you can actually you can play with it a bit, no? I want to touch it. This is red. Wow, so nice. This is looks like turmeric.
It's the Philosopher's Stone.
Oh wow.
Scary when you go over the cliff. Yeah.
So this is where the chairlift starts, but unfortunately it's closed, and it's probably going to open again towards Easter time, and it goes that way towards the cliff. And James being there when he was a child, what do you remember about it? Was it scary?
It's a bit scary when you go over the cliff and then you're suddenly very high in the air.
Oh man, I really wanted to do it though. It's such a shame.
It's closed for maintenance.
Oh, for maintenance? Is it not because it's winter?
I don't know. It's clearly being maintained, isn't it?
Yeah.
But the stairs are closed as well, so we can't go to the beach.
Yeah,
Just have to
unfortunately.
look.
The stairs that go to the beach have been damaged as well, and they haven't been repaired yet, so they should be open again in Easter time. So we can't actually go to the beach. The only thing we can go and do is go in and see the Needles from the platform, and maybe go for a little hike in the area. So, yeah. So we made it to a viewing platform. For the first time seeing the Needles a little bit more closer. So James just figured out that the land in the background, it's actually the Isle of Wight, right? We're actually going to the Isle of Wight in February. So
It's over there.
oh yeah. Dorset is probably somewhere there, and we actually took a decent video of the Needles from there. So it's a beautiful cliff there. We are thinking about maybe, if we manage, I don't know, to climb there and go for a hike. From here we can actually see the sides where the lift chair comes down, but it's under maintenance now. I hope they fix it. It's such a nice thing to do here, I think.
Here you can see Alum Bay's fabulous 21 colours. Well, there's a bit that's hidden over there, but just on the corner you can see some of the green stuff. Apparently there are 21 colours. Do you see 21 colours, Alice?
Well...
They come in 5 main colour groups, but there are different shades.
What are these colour groups?
I don't no idea, but I'm guessing green, red, orange. There seems to be some kind of blackish. White?
Yes. We can see the stairs from here as well that takes you to the Alum Bay beach, and they are closed at the moment. All the beautiful colours. You see the strip of land where the lighthouse is? That's actually mainland England. That's all mainland. Seems to be so close. So we just passed a woman who went for a walk here, and she explained that if we just go straight on the same level we will not be able to see the needles, but if we go up that way pew pew, we might be able to see them. So we're gonna go up and fingers crossed we'll be able to see them from the top. We are on the top of the hill, not needles so far. I don't know where the viewpoint from here is, and I don't know if there is one. So there is a nice little walk to the needles from here. I hope you can hear me. It's quite windy, so I'm using my microphone. So we came all the way down, hoping that we were going to be able to see the needles a little bit closer, but there's no way to do that. And yeah, so the best view is a little bit further up where we were before. That's the Needle Old Battery there, and during the summer it is open and you can get some tea and have a view of the needles. But during the winter it's closed. I think it opens actually on the 3rd of March, so we are a bit too early. So now we are just going back to where we came from, and I think we are just gonna have maybe a hot chocolate or something, and that's it. We will call it a day, meaning taking a bus for about 2 hours and a half and go back home. lots of little different objects made of glass. You can actually see for free how they make glass, but at the moment they finished for today. So, but yeah, this is very cool stuff.